How to fix the Knox security policy restricts this action. So if you want to fix the Knox security policy restricts this action, then if your phone is configured with Knox, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open your settings, you need to go for the search and search for Knox configure. And once you search for Knox configure, then here you might have the option. But in my device, I don't have the policy restriction. So if you have the policy restriction, then you will have the Knox security. So if you have the Knox security, then simply search for Knox configure and you will have that option. Once you have that option, you need to again tap on the Knox configure and you need to apply the latest profile. So if your device is configured by a profile, then you need to apply for the latest profile. And after adding the configured profile, you need to restart your device. So press and hold on to that power button and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Knox security policy restricts this action. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.